you ever seen a chicken egg? Today, we are going to follow one very special egg, all the way from egg to chick. Let's visit a quiet, sunny farm. We hear cluck, cluck, cluck. That sound comes from a chicken called a hen. A hen is a grown-up chicken who takes very good care of her eggs. The hen finds a cozy place to sit. There is soft straw. It looks like a little bed. She sits down and lays an egg. Plop! Out comes a smooth oval egg with a hard shell. Sometimes eggs are used for cooking and breakfast, but some eggs stay warm and safe in the nest. Those are the eggs that can grow into baby chicks. Our egg is one of those special eggs. The hen sits carefully on top of her eggs. She keeps them warm, like a fluffy blanket. This is called incubating. That's a big word, but it just means keeping the eggs warm. Every now and then, she gently turns the eggs with her beak and her feet. She is a very busy, very caring mama hen. From the outside, the egg doesn't look like it's doing much at all. It just sits there very still. But inside the shell, something amazing is happening. Inside the egg, a tiny chick is starting to grow. It begins as something so small, we cannot see it. Day after day, it grows bigger and bigger. First, it starts to grow a tiny body, then a little head, little wings, little legs and toes. The chick uses the yellow yolk inside the egg for food. The egg is like a little house, with food and protection all in one. Outside, the hen keeps sitting. She only gets up for a short time to eat and drink. Then she hurries back to her nest, as if she is saying, "I'm here, eggs. I'm keeping you safe." Time passes. 1 day, 2 days, many days. Finally, after about 3 weeks, the chick inside the egg is almost ready to come out. The chick has soft feathers. It has a tiny beak. Its eyes are ready to see the world on the tip of its beak. The chick has a special hard spot called an egg tooth. It's like a little tool to help crack the shell. The chick begins to tap, 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 tap. If you were very, very quiet, you might hear a tiny sound from inside the egg. Tap, tap, tap. Soon, a little crack appears in the shell. The chick keeps working. Tap, tap, tap. Rest. Tap, tap, tap. Rest again. Hatching is hard work for such a small new bird. After a while, the crack grows bigger and goes around the egg like a little line. Then, crack. The shell opens and out pops the baby chick. At first, the chick is wet and looks a bit tired. It lies still in the soft straw and rests. The hen leans close and makes gentle clucking sounds, as if she is saying, "Hello, little one, you did it." Soon the chick begins to dry, its feathers fluff up. Now it looks like a tiny, yellow, fuzzy ball with a beak and legs. The chick tries to stand up. Wobble. Wobble. Oops! It falls down again. That's okay. Learning to stand is tricky. The hen keeps her chick close to her. If the chick feels cold, it snuggles under the hen's warm feathers, like a blanket. When the chick is hungry, it pecks at little bits of food. Peck, peck, peck. It learns to drink tiny sips of water. The chick watches the hen. The hen scratches the ground with her feet. Scratch, scratch, scratch. The chick copies her. Scratch, scratch, peck. Every day the chick grows a little more. It walks better. It gets braver. It explores the farmyard, but stays close to the hen. Its fluffy baby feathers slowly change into bigger feathers, like a grown-up chicken. Soon, the chick isn't a tiny baby anymore. It is a young chicken, ready to have chicken adventures on the farm. And one day, when it is all grown up, it might sit on a cozy nest too, keeping eggs warm until new baby chicks are ready to hatch. And so the story happens again, from egg to chick, from chick to chicken, over and over on farms all around the world. So the next time you see an egg, you can remember the secret story that might be inside. A tiny chick growing and getting ready to crack the shell and say, "Peep, hello world," from egg to chicken. What an amazing journey. thanks for watching with us today. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it with other parents, teachers, and carers. For more simple, fun learning videos just like this one, don't forget to subscribe to Idea Kaleidoscope so you don't miss our next adventure.